Ramen, Japanese soul food. Not just noodles and broth, but craft, tradition, artisan skill.
The steam, the smell. Cappy, I can smell the broth. And I'm ready to slurp. Properly, respectfully, loudly. Is that okay?
Understanding ramen means honoring its history and the craft. Notice the different broths and watch how the master eats. Slurping is respectful.
Ramen is eaten with enthusiasm, Slurping is required, not rude. It cools noodles, aerates broth, shows appreciation to chef. Hold noodles with chopsticks, lift to mouth, slurp loudly, pulls air with broth, cools and flavors together. The louder, the better the compliment to chef. Okay, chopsticks up, lift, and SLURRRP. Like that? I want to do this right. I want the chef to know I appreciate their art. Ready, Remy? Let's honor these artisan bowls. Itadakimasu! Itadakimasu! Let's... Wow, it's so rich. The collagen, the noodles are Wait, this broth. It took HOers to make this, didn't it? I can taste the time, the dedication, the craft.
Yes, you understand. True ramen takes 12 plus hours of boiling bones, constant attention, perfecting broth. Every...
Braised for hours. Marble renders perfectly, melts instantly. This is Japanese pork mastery.
The egg! It's perfect! Not too hard, not too soft, jammy. The timing.
In Japanese food culture, even the simplest ingredient, an egg, a scallion, receives artisan attention. I'm learning so much more than just how to eat ramen. I'm learning respect, patience, dedication. Remy, ye owe you teach me too.
Your openness, your joy, your genuine respect. Will you remind me why food matters? This one is different. It's more homey, like comfort food. The butter, the corn.
Exactly. Ramen has many styles. Refined, comforting, spicy, rich, light, all are valid artisan craft.
That's the spirit. Real ramen eating is messy.
Enthusiastic. Your energy honors the chef more than perfect manners.
This...
Shoyu is deceptive. Looks simple, clear, but the depth. Soy sauce layers, dashi complexity, refined balance.
So, not all great food is BOLD. Sometimes the best craft is refined. Look at that steam, Cappy! This is the spiciest bowl yet! I'm going in!
Be careful, Remy. It looks very hot.
That's...
A LO of red.
Japanese spicy can be serious, but we honor the chef by trying. Ready to be brave together?
Together, let's do this.
Oh, wow! That's spicy! So spicy! Yes, Japanese tantanmen is substantial spice, but the sesame, the depth, worth the heat, absolutely worth it. We survived!
Together, and it was delicious.
S.O. delicious, painfully, perfectly delicious.
Look at this stuff, Cappy. It's so dark and shiny. Did you hear that ASMR bubble?
Yeah, it's really something. Very mysterious.
Last bowl, what a journey this has been. 5 artisan bowls, each teaching something.
Together.
Whoa! It's not scary. It's umami bomb. Deep, savory, mysterious. I understand now. We started bright and rich, and we end dark and mysterious. The full spectrum of ramen. Yes! You see it! Ramen's incredible variety, all artisan craft, all beautiful, all valid. From... So full, so happy, and I learned so much. Artisan craft, cultural respect, proper slurping.
Remy.
Your enthusiasm, your respect, your perfect slurping, your understanding of artisan craft, you honored Japanese ramen culture.
Thank you. Five bowls, 5 lessons. Craft takes time. Artisan dedication deserves respect. Simple can be... You changed me too. This was sacred. Thank you, my dearest friend. Always. 5 bowls, infinite lessons, eternal friendship.
Through ramen, forever together. Always slurping. Always.
Wow, look at the glow on that lantern. It's incredible. We absolutely have to go in there right now.
Yes, it is very warm. I agree, Remy.
I'll never eat ramen the same way again, or any food. You taught me to see craft, respect art as artisan.
Teaching you has been my greatest joy. Through ramen, we found deeper friendship.
Forever grateful.
Forever through 5 bowls. Eternal friendship.
Through slurping. Souls connected. Forever.
Forever through ramen. Always together.
Always.
Your respect for ramen, your proper slurping, honored my craft beautifully.
Thank you.
I'll never forget this place, this night.
Nor will I. Sacred spaces, sacred friendships, sacred food. All eternal now.
Five bowls changed me, Cappy. I'm better now. More respectful, more patient, more grateful. Seeing you transformed my greatest joy. Teaching you was teaching myself. Growing together through ramen.
Forever through ramen, my dearest friend. I love you. Always.
Forever. I love you too. Always.
Through every... Ramen taught us. Craft requires dedication. Simplicity conceals depth. Restraint is...
Find your 5 bowls, your artisan journey, your cultural learning, your perfect slurp. Food is more than fuel. Every artisan craft deserves respect. Every culture teaches wisdom. Every meal offers lessons. Every slurp shows love.
Through 5 bowls, we learned life. Through slurping, we found respect.
Created with love and respect for Japanese ramen culture. Artisan craft honored.
Cultural appreciation
Created with love and respect for Japanese ramen culture. Artisan craft honored.
Cultural appreciation
Subscribe for more mukbang adventures, new episodes weekly, cultural food journeys, artisan craft honored, ASMR eating sounds, friendship stories. Thank you for watching. Did they leave?
I think they stayed.
Secret dessert ramen for those who stayed. Matcha ramen dessert.
Sweet noodles?
it's sweet. Noodles are sweet. This is crazy.
Matcha dessert ramen. Japanese creativity knows no bounds.
I love this. Secret bonus bowl. 6 bowls total.
Secret 6th bowl for the real fans.
See you next adventure. Always stay for surprises. Bye. Matane.